everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Roblox avatar bundle not equipping. For that, the first thing that you can do is head over to your app drawer and open up the Roblox app on your device. Once you're inside the Roblox app, what you must do is head over to your avatar at the bottom right of your screen, and then what you must do is head over to customize and make sure that the avatar body bundle that you're trying to equip is already in your inventory. If it is there and it's still not working, head over to your quick settings, switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off on your device. If that does not work, simply head over to your quick settings, head over to settings, tap on apps, hit Roblox, tap on storage and cache, clear the cache of Roblox and try again. If the issue still persists, what you can do is try a quick update of Roblox. For that, open up Play Store on your device, head over to search, and then search for Roblox in the search bar and hit update to update it to the latest version. If that too does not work, simply head over to your app drawer, search for Roblox on your device, long press on it, uninstall it on your device and reinstall it from the Play Store. You can also try using Roblox through a different PC, or you can also use the web version. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.